New Year's Eve is a time of celebration, reflection, and new beginnings. Around the world, people say goodbye to the old year and welcome the new one in style. In this video, we'll explore some key vocabulary and phrases related to New Year's celebrations. Let's get started. First up is the countdown. This is the exciting final 10 seconds before midnight. People chant together 10, 9, 8 until they reach 0, marking the start of the new year. At the stroke of midnight, it's tradition to raise a glass. This means to lift your drink in a toast, often with champagne or sparkling wine. You might hear people say, "Here's to a happy and healthy new year." Fireworks are a big part of New Year's celebrations. They light up the sky with bright, colorful explosions. It's a spectacular way to welcome the year ahead. At midnight, it's common to exchange a New Year's kiss or give a hug. This is a way of showing affection and wishing loved ones well for the year ahead. In the UK, we sing Auld Lang Syne at the start of the new year. This old Scottish song is all about remembering friendships and cherishing the past while looking to the future. Many people set New Year's resolutions. These are goals or promises to improve your life, like getting fit, saving money, or learning something new. Whether you're out enjoying fireworks, singing songs with friends, or watching the celebrations from home, New Year's Eve is all about celebrating the past and looking forward to the future. So now, you've learned some New Year's vocabulary and traditions. How do you celebrate New Year's where you live? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start the new year off right with more videos from us. Happy New Year!